Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is Next Initiative, NEST. This is the initiative which is there by IGBC. I'll tell you the detail about that as well. An important initiative that has been brought in that will call for more sustainability and green housing across the country. So let's get started with the discussion. So IGBC, that is the Indian Green Building Council, has launched the Next initiative, or you can call it Nest initiative. Something very important. It's first of its kind, जहाँ पे eco-friendly self-developed framework और certifications दी जाएगी through the IGBC Nest, right? Now, IGBC will also be organizing the annual Green Building Congress 2023 in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. So for many government examination, one day examination, directly आपसे venue भी पूछा जा सकता है, which is going to be important. Like even for the upcoming prelims examination also, this can be relevant. So make sure you take a note of this. Now, what is this Nest initiative is all about? So this aims to promote the sustainable, eco-friendly construction in the domestic housing sector. So the housing sector, which is actually being built in any specific area by the government entity or by the private entity, will ensure that the sustainability and eco-friendly are topmost prioritized. Now, the mission aims to ensure that every building in India is a green building. There's certain criteria upon which a building is been recognized or given a tag of green building. तो उसकी criteria को meet करनी होगी ताकि वो green building के जो categories हैं, जो categorization उसमें fall करे. And even it will not only uplift the economic status from every homeowner, but also provide the life expectancy with better health benefit. If you look at the country like Singapore, अगर सिंगापुर की बात करें तो वहाँ पे काफ़ी हद तक ग्रीन बिल्डिंग की इनिशिएटिव्स गवर्नमेंट ने ली. Now, it would also pave way for individual house owner and the residential sector, जहाँ पे green building एक बहुत important significant feature होगी, where will reduce on the part of electricity consumption because solar is something that will be promoted, and the water uses and creating the healthy living space. So ultimately, in a longer run, considering the fact that the pollutions and the other thing are contaminated, we definitely have to switch to the part of sustainable living and sustainable housing. Now, what is the aim and objective of this initiative? So this aims to control and limit the carbon emissions. जो carbon emissions है, जो CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और कार्बन की emissions है, उसको reduce करना एक सबसे बड़ी priority होगी. This move will also create an achieving of India net zero emissions, जो कि इंडिया को अचीव करनी है by 2070. Now, this aims to bring awareness about the drive with individual owners, that is living in a sustainable home with no major additional cost. किसी भी तरह की additional cost ना पे करते हुए भी एक sustainable building की तरफ आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश की जाएगी. It emphasizes to bring down the electricity consumptions, water uses, and creating a healthy living space for each and every household in the country. Now, as we are discussing about the details of the Nest initiative, आपके लिए जानना ज़रूरी है IGBC है क्या और ये कैसे functions करती है, where it is headquarter. So IGBC is a confederation for Indian industries, part of CCI, जो कि इंडिया में बहुत important body है industries को regulate करने के लिए. It's formed with 2001. There's headquarter in Hyderabad, right? It's a premier body जो कि green certifications देती है related to the part of building constructions, right? The council offer wide array of services which include the development of green building, rating program, certification services और green building जो training program है. These things are provided by the IGBC. This can be relevant for the prelims examination. Prelims में आपसे direct सवाल भी पूछे जा सकते हैं. The rating is based on the 6 environmental categories. कौन-कौन से categories है? First is the sustainable station facility होनी चाहिए. दूसरी health and hygiene sanitation should be there. Energy efficiency, water efficiency, smart and green initiative, and even innovation and development. These are some of the pivotal area, the specific area, the categories of environmental where the IGBC actually take into consideration और उसके accordingly वो rating देते हैं किसी भी buildings को. So this was all about for this topic. Hope you liked it. We'll meet in the next session with some of the important topic relevant for the examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying connected.